Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into iCloud with your Apple ID and turning on two-factor authentication for security. Next, update each device so iCloud features work reliably, then enable iCloud Drive in Settings. Choose which apps and folders you want to sync now: Photos, Mail, Notes, and specific app folders, because that choice controls what uploads automatically. Once done, give your device a few minutes to upload initial data and confirm items appear in iCloud, COM, or Files on your Mac. Now configure how data moves to iCloud. On a Mac, enable desktop and document syncing so files auto-appear in iCloud Drive. On iPhone or iPad, use the Files app to drag or save items to iCloud folders. Turn on storage optimization to keep local space free while full copies remain in iCloud. Organize your cloud with folders, tags, and shared folders for collaboration, and check Photos settings to choose iCloud Photos or manual upload. Make sure upload preferences match whether you want original stored or device-optimized versions. Finish by verifying everything reached iCloud. Open iCloud, COM, or the Files app to confirm file names, dates, and sizes match. Review storage usage and either upgrade your iCloud plan or delete or move large archives to free space. Remember, trash doesn't free space until emptied. If something didn't sync, sign out and back into iCloud, restart the device, verify Wi-Fi and cellular settings, and check Apple's system status. If issues persist, restore from a recent backup or contact Apple support for account-level problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.